Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Dogecoin seems to be in this fourth wave that we talked about already weeks ago, okay, and the microstructure, however, is developing into a, let's say an ABC flat correction, and we're currently in the C wave, which might be done, but microstructure suggests the need for one more low. We don't need another low technically. I mean, it's definitely deep enough in support, and I cannot rule out a break of support. In that case, however, well, it wouldn't be a disaster. We would simply move up one wave degree and we'd be in circle wave 4 already, for which I'm sharing the support area on the daily time frame. We might want to add it here as well. This is actually the main support area we're watching on the daily chart at the moment, which is just slightly lower. I think it goes down to round about 21 cents on the daily chart, that support. But for now, let's just leave it like that, because the focus currently here is more on the microstructure, and it's important to understand this is still a support area where we actually would like to see a reaction around 25 cents. Okay, as we've just seen, like 21 cents is the support below. But really, it would be ideal if the bulls turn up at the latest after one more low. So one more marginally lower low would be okay. It would actually be ideal, because then we can consider this a nice 5-wave move down in wave C. Now that said, it is already deep enough for a wave 4, but it would then have to be some kind of a WXY structure instead of an ABC. If it's a WXY structure, it might be complete already. But that's exactly why we're tracking resistance. So I would need, as an early indication that a low of sorts is in place, I would need a break above initial resistance, which is defined between 31.4 cents and 35 cents. So this would be initial resistance. Why is it the golden ratio level? Because I cannot rule out that this C wave down is unfolding as an ending diagonal. So we want to consider the golden ratio level there as well. Either way, I'm looking for 5 waves down in C. It's never an absolute must, but it looks kind of incomplete without that one more last low. But we all know that sometimes that last low doesn't materialize. So it's all about a balance between, okay, how much confirmation you need, as a trader. At the moment, I can tell you it's too early to confirm a low. Looking really at the nano structure, there isn't really much to work with. So I couldn't tell you this looks like a 5-wave move up or so. It certainly doesn't from here. And therefore we just have to be a little bit patient. But for now, the correction for me is still unfolding. We're getting to a point though where ideally the bulls are starting to step in, possibly after one more 4-5 pattern. Now the 4-hour chart, you see that on the RSI, relative strength index, it was already oversold. There's no bullish divergence, however, so maybe one more low could give us a bullish divergence. Looking at the daily chart for Doge, not oversold yet. Last time Doge was oversold, it was here in August. We're very close to that point again. So it's getting interesting. Daily candle doesn't look too bad either. So yeah, in summary, we cannot confirm a low yet. I still see this as an internal wave 4 correction. Might get another 4-5 pattern. Can't rely on it, but it's likely at this point at least, especially as long as we don't break above resistance. Above resistance, I might take the position that a low is already in, or at least consider it. And it would need a bit more evidence then though. But overall, yeah, still looking for higher prices overall. I would need to see more evidence to suggest really a long-term top has been struck. So at the moment, I see this as a correction in an overall uptrend. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.